Hey everyone, so I've been working on the timing on this Elcamino a little bit, and it has been a bear. The distributor was stuck down in there. I think I finally got it timed. At least as timed as I'm gonna get it for now, because the timing marks are gone. And now I gotta reach this wrench all the way back in there. Okay, we'll try this again. I had to reach my wrench all the way back down in there and get the distributor mounting nuts tight, and we're going to, I think it'll start better now. The timing marks on the engine are gone, so I just timed it by ear. I didn't realize that till after I had the timing light hooked up. I'll show you here in a second. It does sound better. See if you guys can see down in there. Maybe. I don't think you can see down there in the camera. But had a bad PCV valve. I think the brake booster is also bad. So hopefully the battery was dead too. I got a draw somewhere. But hopefully we can get this thing working a lot better. Throttle response has really come up. I'll show you. It just goes back down to an idle. But I think the brake booster's bad. I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, brake booster's bad. See, I'll pump them up and yeah. So I need a new brake booster. I imagine if I unplugged it, the brakes will feel the exact same. So, let's get this stuff moved out of my way. And we'll see about taking it up and down the road and see what we think now. I'm gonna have to get a clutch put in it. It just, no turning back from that. I have to get a clutch put in it. Let's move the Colorado. I meant to get some gas for it today, but I forgot. Now I'm trying to press the clutch in the Colorado. Jeez. Okay. Let's go for a ride and see what we think. I think it's better. I moved the boxes out from behind the seat. Now I have ample clutch room. Oh, didn't get my door shut all the way. There we go. Actually, I was in third. Yeah, way better throttle response. I know why I don't have fourth gear. Let me show y'all here in a second. Boy, I just feel like a freaking idiot now because my uncle put the shift linkage in. Okay, I'm in first right now. Okay, there's first. Come on. Oh. Oh, maybe that's first. Yeah. Okay, I see. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang. Okay. Because he got the linkage wrong. That's what it was. So I've been thinking left. I've been thinking that was the right shift pattern, but that's not. This is first gear right here. That's second, that's third, that's fourth. So let's go down to first. Hell yeah. That's why I couldn't do a burnout. Plus, I need air in my shocks. So the shocks don't have enough air in them. Yeah, that's what it is. So. Yeah, baby. Hell yeah. Okay, let's try that one more time. I'm gonna have to get a good camera angle now that I figured this out. That rear end shudders so much. Jeez. So this is where we're gonna have to end it. I hate to end it right here, but I've been having some major camera problems. I'm gonna start uploading to my computer every night instead of every other night or whatever I've been doing. But the car now has first gear, second gear, third gear, and fourth gear. It wasn't that it didn't have them, it just I didn't know where they were. It'll do a burnout, but the air shocks need some adjusting. So anyways, we'll learn a lot more in the next video. We're gonna try to do 100 miles in that car in one day, going picking up some stuff. So I think you guys will enjoy that, and it'll probably come out Friday-ish. So this video should be out Wednesday. So anyways, I really appreciate you guys watching, and if you could hit the thumbs up button on the videos, it really helps my channel. Just please take 2 seconds and hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'm begging you, subscribe, and I really appreciate everybody that has so far. Remember, at 15,000 subscribers, we're giving away a 2003 GMC Sierra. So I really appreciate you guys, and we'll talk to you next time. Peace.